let's see. We got this pink Corolla on my driveway with no license plate.
I drove it here with no license plate. Oh,
riding dirty.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
You don't even have a front one?
No.
Fuck it, dude. Alright, here, do this. Jack this thing up and put it on jack sense. Okay, so the plan is to get a Sawzall, chop it right here, and since this location is not all the way underneath, I could probably weld this on the car and have no problem welding it. So right now we're just gonna get a Sawzall, chop it here. You only have one hanger here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, what tool are we gonna use to cut off this muffler? We're gonna use the best and brightest and finest machinery. If I could find it. Like I said, we're gonna use the best and brightest and finest machinery known to man. The Harbor Freight $20 Sawzall. We're good.
Wow, that was fast.
Just like that. You can steal a catalytic converter that fast.
Why do they steal them so fast?
It would make
on the Prius, right?
it would make sense to just have two Sawzalls going at one time. Is that what they do? V-band and new technology in V-bands, right? With these V-bands, they self-center. The older ones didn't, or the cheaper ones didn't, but now these Chinese ones do. So you slide it, now it's locked.
Oh wow!
As you tighten it, it squeezes it together.
Yeah.
And usually there's no leaks because this is a fine machine surface and it's perfectly flat, and as long as the surface is flat, you don't need a gasket.
Wow.
We'll clean this up and we'll clean that up and then we'll weld it. Okay, I just have this strip of sandpaper and we just need to kind of just floss it. I believe in that. This girl would literally unbolt her whole cat back at the track, which I used to do too.
Only when I would drive it there, because obviously
it's a lot of work. Yeah. It's a lot of work. You gotta lift up the car, unbolt it, take off a bunch of hangers. Now you can just take off one hanger and then unbolt the V-band.
That connects right there. That was a lot of work. I only did it when I would drive it to the track.
Clean off. I have that rascal tail or rat tail. What happened?
You
pressed the trigger and the ground was right next to it?
Yeah, because you handed it to me like that.
Hey. E? Okay, so let's weld this and make sure our gas tank doesn't set on fire. Weld this like that. We're just gonna tack one side, then fill it. Anyways, I got this tacked. We can take off the clamp. And it's nice that that's self-centering, right? Boom. Cool. Alright, so all done? We all done. Let's see, check out these mediocre welds. Look at that booger. No leak. I'm just gonna let her figure out how to put it back together. We're pretty much done here. She's gonna drop the car. Oh my god, you okay?
Sorry, yeah. Don't show that.
Catch that. Safety first, guys.
It's because you're jack is weird.
I mean, it looked worse. The replay didn't look that bad.
It looked that bad.
But yeah.
First hand.
Calvin, you're so dramatic in that last video you posted when I crashed. You were like, ah, ah.
You okay?